Under the relentless desert sun, a lone figure begins a daunting climb toward the towering Mount Sinai. The wind rises, whipping sand against Moses' face as he squints, his determination unwavering. Robes billowing, Moses begins his ascent, each step a testament to his resolve against the harsh desert landscape. The mountain looms ever larger as Moses continues his arduous journey, his silhouette stark against the bright sky. Higher still, Moses pushes on, the wind a constant challenge as he nears the summit. At the summit, Moses stands silhouetted against the sun, the desert stretching out before him. Under the vast sky, Moses begins his arduous climb up the rugged slopes of Mount Sinai. His unkempt beard dances with each labored breath, and his worn clothes bear witness to his long journey. He stumbles, his body faltering, but an invisible force compels him onward. Driven by destiny, Moses rises again, his gaze fixed towards the summit. The weight of his mission fuels his steps as he presses on toward the heavens. Moses ascends Mount Sinai, the air alive with unseen power. The summit crackles as lightning briefly reveals Moses' weary face. He pauses, the electricity in the air causing the hairs on his arms to stand on end. Deliberately, Moses begins to kneel upon the unforgiving stone. Upon the summit, Moses kneels, awaiting the divine presence. Visions flood Moses' mind, a torrent of suffering faces and desperate pleas. Images of his people's torment sear through his consciousness. A promise of liberation echoes, a beacon of hope amidst the darkness. The weight of responsibility crashes down, threatening to crush him. Moses rises, the fire of determination blazing in his eyes. The desolate summit of Mount Sinai is bathed in the relentless sun. A voice of unimaginable power echoes across the barren landscape. The 10 Commandments sear into Moses' very soul. Before Moses, 2 stone tablets materialize, faintly glowing with divine law. Each syllable of the divine law resonates with the weight of eternity. The tablets, etched with the divine law, pulse with celestial light. Moses begins his descent from Mount Sinai, clutching the heavy tablets close to his chest. Each footfall is a testament to his resolve, his path winding down the steep slope. The desert wind relentlessly pushes him forward, a constant reminder of the divine task at hand. His grip tightens on the tablets, knowing the weight of their words. Moses, burdened yet resolute, continues his solemn journey down the mountain. The Israelite camp pulses with unrestrained energy, a whirlwind of frenzied revelry under the open sky. Golden calf at the center of the camp, a symbol of indulgence around which the Israelites dance with wild abandon. Tables laden with roasted meat and overflowing cups of cheap wine, a feast of earthly delights. The air grows thick with the mingling sense of roasted meat and cheap wine, the intoxicating atmosphere fueling the Israelites' descent into primal celebration. The scent of roasted meat and cheap wine, a heady mix that fills the air. Moses halts at the camp's edge, his expression turning to one of disbelief and anger. The golden calf shines mockingly under the firelight. His face hardens, a storm gathering in his eyes. The camp's festivities continue, oblivious to the prophet's return. The golden calf stands as a symbol of defiance. Under the open sky of the Israelite camp, Moses stands as the embodiment of divine authority. He raises the tablets, a solemn offering reaching toward the heavens. A silent offering ascends, bridging the earthly and the divine. His eyes ignite with righteous fury, reflecting the unwavering power of his conviction. The tablets remain aloft, as Moses stands firm, a beacon of unwavering faith and divine mandate. In a moment of divine rage, Moses raises the tablets high above the Israelite camp. With a furious roar, he unleashes his wrath, sending the tablets crashing toward the earth. The tablets explode upon impact, shattering into countless fragments. The sound of the shattering stone reverberates across the valley, a deafening echo of divine fury. The Israelite camp falls into stunned silence, the weight of Moses' action hanging heavy in the air. Moses strides into the Israelite camp, the shepherd's staff transformed into a symbol of divine wrath. The golden calf, once an idol of false hope, now faces its destruction. With righteous fury, Moses raises the staff high, bringing it down upon the golden calf. The idol shatters, reduced to dust under the force of Moses' rage. Across the Israelite camp, a sudden silence falls as Moses appears, his countenance a storm of fury. The sounds of joyous celebration abruptly cease, every gaze now fixed on the figure of Moses. His voice, a thunderclap of divine judgment, echoes through the camp. "You have betrayed your covenant with God." The weight of Moses' words hangs heavy in the air, a stark reminder of their broken promise. The Israelite camp lies still under the cloak of night, fires reduced to mere embers. Amidst the silent devastation, Moses stands alone, a solitary figure etched with sorrow and resolve. The weight of his people's plight bears heavily upon him, a burden etched deep into his weary face. His gaze sweeps across the ravaged camp, each dying ember a testament to loss and suffering. Yet, amidst the sorrow, a flicker of unyielding determination ignites within his heart, fueling his resolve. He remains steadfast, a beacon of hope amidst the darkness, ready to guide his people toward a new dawn. Under the first light of dawn, Moses begins his arduous climb up Mount Sinai. Each step is a burden, weighed down by the sins of his people. The weight of responsibility etches deeper lines onto his face. The desert stretches out behind him, a silent testament to his unwavering commitment. His solitary figure ascends towards the heavens, carrying the hopes and failings of an entire nation. Atop Mount Sinai, Moses kneels in solemn prayer, a solitary figure against the vast expanse. The wind whips around him, a relentless whisper carrying the scent of ancient stone. His voice, a plea carried on the wind, echoes through the desolate peak. "Forgive them, Father." He pleads with the heavens, a desperate hope clinging to each word. "Give them another chance." The mountain stands silent witness as Moses continues to kneel. The wind continues to howl, carrying Moses' plea into the heavens. Moses stands atop Mount Sinai, his figure silhouetted against the vast desert expanse. The desert stretches out before him, a sea of sand and rock under the blazing sun. His eyes reflect the weight of past failures and the burning desire for redemption. "This time, I will not fail," Moses vows, his voice echoing in the desolate landscape. The wind whips around him as he steels his resolve, ready to face the challenges ahead.